Hey everybody, it's me, John D. Villarreal, and today I'm talking about the EVGA Supernova 1000 G3 power supply, gold power supply. It's really, really good. I really love this a lot. I'm using it right now in my system. I have to say a couple things. Number one, this video is not sponsored by EVGA or anybody else. Number two, I paid for this with my own money. It's part of my system. And number three, these are my own true, honest opinions. Okay, this is great. A lot of people, maybe some people don't focus on power supplies, but power supplies are really, really important. Okay, it powers the entire system. And now with some of the processors and graphics cards really taking a lot of power, these are really important. Now, why 1000? Well, as it turns out, in my opinion, first of all, I'm not alleging any facts, not casting any aspersions, not making any claims. Everything you do is at your own risk. But from what I read and what I understand is that you really want to have a fair amount of spare capacity in terms of having a better efficiency. And the gold also helps with the efficiency. We'll talk about that in a second. And it is 80 plus gold certified here. That you don't want to be up close to your limit to be able to have a more efficiency and longevity. I may be wrong about that, but I think that's what I sort of recollect in my opinion of what I read. And you do your own diligence, everything you do is at your own risk. But what this says is this is 80 plus gold certified, so check that out. It also has energy efficiency of over 92% typical, so that's pretty important. It's modular, it's 1,000 watts capability. It also is Crossfire ready for AMD. It's also NVIDIA SLI ready. It has a big fan on it, which is really cool. It has a 130 millimeter hydraulic dynamic bearing fan. So it's really great. I like that a lot. It has a 10-year warranty. Mean time between failure is 100,000 hours. Now the 80 plus gold certification means that this power supply is gonna have at least an 87% efficiency at 100% load. So that's really, really good. And 90% at 50% load. So it goes back to what I was saying before, is if you're not using the full capacity, it's gonna be a little more efficient. So that's one of the reasons I wanted that, and I wanted to have a little more spare capacity. I wanted to have that gold certification. You know, you can go, there's platinum certifications and titanium certifications, but I like the gold because it's above bronze, it's above silver, you know what you're getting here. The specs say that it's 92% efficient at the 220 to 240 range, and 90% at the 115 range. So I think it's pretty good. I like it a lot. It's worked out really, really well for me. I would say on a 1 to 10, I'm giving this probably like a 9.3. I think it's great. Hey, that's my opinion. I'm John D. Villarreal. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.